Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to make dust Niagara system for footstep, which will be aligned for right feet and the left feet, like you are seeing in the video. And you can also get the project files on my Patreon. And let's jump into the tutorial. Let's start our tutorial. First of all, if you notice, you can see that whenever a character is running, it has footstep sounds, and every time the footstep sound is playing randomly. Actually, I have used only one sound, but I made the pitch random by using meta sound. So right now, these are the meta sound attached to footstep. You can watch my tutorial on how to add meta sound with the footstep. The link is in the description also. There is a pop-up here. For this tutorial, we are going to make a Niagara system. First of all, that's our third-person character, and these are the anim blueprint, blend space, and animations attached to that character. So I have already created a Niagara system, but for you all, I will create it again. But I am not an VFX artist, so I will do the very basics of the Niagara system. So first of all, right click, go to the Niagara system, select that, go to next and select that empty plus, and after that go to finish. And now give it a name, NS Footstep 2. So actually what we are going to do is, in this tutorial, we are going to make one Niagara system which will be aligned with the right feet and the left feet. So for that, after opening that, you will see something like that. And in the immediate update, search for spawn rate. That one and that one are the same thing, so use any. So give it a value, any value which you think which is best for you. I am giving it a value of 10. So now you can see it's something like that. And after that, click here and add velocity, and the particle spawn, add velocity. And after that you will see that errors warning, and in the second here, click it. Now you can see that the velocity is added to our particles, and that's a 50 in the z-axis upward. So that's a z-axis, x and y. So we are going to add a value of 50 minus 50 here and 10 here. So why we are adding, so that's actually we want a value and particles to move from that point in that direction on the x-axis, on the negative x-axis. So you instead of linear, you can also add random velocity. Give it a value of minus 5 here, and something like minus 30 to minus 50 to minus 30, and give it a value from 5 to 15, any value you want to give. So now you can see particles like that. So the another thing we want to do is we want to make that particle to run for just one time, and we want to reduce the lifetime. To reduce the lifetime, go into initialize particle, and here you can find lifetime and give it a maximum value of 0.8 or any value you want. You can also drag it like here, and after that go here in the system state. Instead of loop behavior infinite, make it once and give it a value of 0.8. But I want to do another thing. Go back to initialize particle, and in the lifetime, instead of giving a constant value of 0.8, give it a value of random between 0.3 to 0.8, or you can give any value. Now this is our particle, and also we have to increase its size. Go there, sprite attributes, sprite max size mode, and make it uniform, or you can also make it random. Give it a value of 25 or any value you want. Now our particle systems are ready, and if you track that particle here, you will notice that it runs only for approximately 1 second and then it ends. So now we are going to add that particle system into our character running animation, because the character is in the running animation right now. So go to the anim and that animation. So you can see I've already added that meta sound footstep sounds. Every time you can see, every time you pass that point, this sound appears. And for if you want to see how to make meta sound with the random pitch value, you can watch my tutorial in the Footstep series. So right now we are going to add a Niagara system. Go to the point where our foot touches the ground, right here. Right click here, add notify, play Niagara particle effect, and add the Niagara system which we have just created, that is that one. Now if you notice that every time the foot touches the ground, we will get a dust particle. So copy it and paste it the point when the right foot touches the ground. Copy it by Ctrl C, and now we are going to paste it by Ctrl V. Now the problem is, if you notice that the Niagara systems are spawning at that point, the center point, and again on the when the right foot touches the ground, it is again spawning at the center. So we want to align the Niagara system for left foot and right foot with the right foot and with the left foot. For that, we have to select that Niagara system, go here, location offset, and in the x-axis give it a this is a positive, and give it a value of 14. Now you notice that the Niagara system is spawning right at the location where our feet actually touches the ground. So do it for the, that was for the left feet, and for the right feet we are going again, select that and give it a value of -12. Now you notice that both of the locations are different, and that is aligned to the left feet and that one is aligned to the right feet. Now for the left feet, copy that's the left feet, paste here, and again that's the left feet, paste here, and for the right feet, copy it and go here, paste it, and for the right feet, paste it. Now if we run, now that is better. Now save it. Now one thing we left in our Niagara system is the color. Right now the color is white and we want to make it bit brownish. For that, particle update, color, add color here. and in there give it a little brownish value. So we are good to go. Great. So definitely that's not a tutorial how to make a Niagara system. So that's why I just make a simple Niagara system. Let's play it. Now you will notice every time the right foot touches the ground or the left foot touches the ground, the Niagara system dust particles are spawning, which are aligned to our left feet and the right foot. And you can also play with the values further to make it more better, which suits you best for your project. So, and also you can get the project files on my Patreon. You can join my Patreon. The link is in the description. And till next tutorial, Allah Hafiz.